Hello there, wicked people. I hope you're doing well, and this video will be sort of a surprise because this morning when I went to my favorite grocery store I found something maybe not so worldwide interesting, but it is very valuable for me personally. As you might know, I'm frequently using the Brion aftershave, quite traditional and very well established in Serbia, Balkans, ex-Yugoslavia if you want. And today I discovered that they launched the Brion Shave Gel. So, without thinking twice, I decided to go with this bottle. It's 240 milliliters for maybe like 3 euros. So, I decided to give it a try. As they say, it's creating nice smooth layer on the skin, which easy on the shave. You can use it by hand or with the shaving brush. So I used Nivea shave gels and wasn't that much thrilled for it, so I hope you can see it's pretty gooey and transparent, as you can see. So I will add a little bit with my fingers. I don't see it is lathering quite much, so I guess this is more for, how to say, contouring and shaping goatee, etc. But just for the reference, let's try some brush lathering as well, just to see how it will work. Is it going to create any lather? Oh! Very, very watery. Perhaps I should drain the brush a little bit more, because I'm all wet right now. The smell is pretty neutral. And this thing is lathering quite nice. Although I think it is not meant to be quite, you know, like rich in lather like the shaving soaps, etc. So I will leave it like this to have like portions with the gel only and portions with the, let's say, lather, if we can call it like that. And I will use Muhle Rocca just for comparison, to see how much of the gliding I will have and what will be the sense on the skin, since this is, as you can see, pretty drippy. So maybe I should leave it as a gel, because that was more stable on the face compared to this semi-leather. But so far very slick, and the scent is quite remarkable. So compared to Brion shave cream or this grandpa vibe from the aftershave, this one is pretty nice and modern. Like if you use any sort of face scrubbing gel, performance-wise, this is very, very enjoyable. A lot of slickness, a lot of gliding of the Muhle. So basically, as you can see, still a lot of protection of it. Am I facing a real-time modernization of Serbian shave industry? Who knows? Perhaps you are also witnessing the change in the history, so let's see the gel only. As you can see, it's a little bit showing on the mustache. It feels a little bit weird to not to have that whiteness of the shaving cream. But in overall, very efficient, very helping in shaving. So it is a little bit difficult to rinse out. I'm not using the tap water, I just have a bowl of water in which I swirl the razor head, so it is a little bit better now. And if I could complain on a single thing, I would say that maybe it would stay longer on my face if I performed traditional cream lathering, because I feel that the gel was on my face for like a fraction of seconds, but on a first pass, pretty solid, nothing to complain about. Unfortunately, I don't think there is anything left on the brush. Maybe try to squeeze it just to see and to sense if there is some leftovers. Not too much. Nothing that I would have to repeat a full second pass, but let's just try to see how it behaves. Is it enough to continue with the shave? No tugging, so yeah, perfect on second pass as well. It's a little bit strange, to be honest, because it's not kind of tools which I use regularly. And it's much easier when you have that Santa Claus leather beard, so you know where you have shaved. So this is pretty, you need to remember portions of your face, but even against the grain. I feel so proud for this. to be quite honest. Oh, I forgot that I still have some slick layer. Of course it's transparent, so this is not so intuitive. But performance-wise, excellent. Pure excellence. I really do hope that this thing will find its way not only in Serbian markets, but maybe abroad as well. I saw a couple of Greek shavers on YouTube using Brion shave cream. I don't know if they got it in local stores or took it as part of vacation. And I feel that there is still a lot of slickness right now. I think if I had to repeat something, I could just rewet the face and continue with this. So, comparing it with regular Brion shave cream, this one was very nice, very slick, very protective. Besides this repeating whipper, I don't feel any nicks, any irritations on the rest of the face. So, as you can see, maybe this is the last splash from Brion. So, let's make the verdict how aggressive this was. Actually, very complementing each other. The gel is very neutral, and I don't have any particular stinging like with Derby Premium Blade. Everything is nice and smooth. And just to show it once again, really nice stuff. So, thought about keeping up with the rest of the world. So, warm regards from Serbia. I hope you will be an opportunity to try this one as well. So, if you find it, if it's cheap, don't miss it. I certainly recommend it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.